Yeah, sure. Yeah. Bye. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, hi, Mom. Well, I'm trying to know my personality based on when I was born, the way I sit, my handwriting, and lots more. I want to know myself. It's going to be so interesting. For that much small thing, you're taking that much stress. Yeah, of course. There are many ways by which we can find out our true potential and stuff like that. But did you know that you can find your true potential with the way you sleep? Oh, seriously? On the basis you sleep? I can't believe this. So, let me tell you what your personality is according to the way you sleep. So, let's start? Oh yes, please. Let's start. So, without further delay, let's jump on the video. Good day all. Welcome back to StudyNest. So, as my mom said, she is going to discover our true potential and the way we behave by the basis on how we sleep. So, let's go on to the video. On this small sheet of paper, I have, approximately 6 sleeping positions that tell about you. So, first position is with your knees out. Scientists say that it is one of the most healthiest position to sleep soundly through all night. If you can't fall asleep without putting your knees out while lying on your side, then it means you're a calm and reliable person. It's not easy to offend you. Also, you're not scared of your future or the things that will happen. You're just, okay, let's go. So what? I'm not scared. Let's go. Let's face it. You're some sort of person like that. You're not scared of your future. And the best part is that you smile even at the hardest times or the miserable times of your life. Ooh, next, what's the next position? Position number 2 is the fetus. This is the most popular sleeping position in the whole wide world. If you sleep like this, then you feel that you have to be protected, understood, and sometimes sympathized with someone, you have to be sympathized, and you try to be free of problems that you face day by day. Although you seem tough from inside, you're very sensitive. I'm sure you related with the fetus. Sort of, yeah. That's cool. Alright, the next position is on the stomach. If you sleep on the stomach, then you can call yourself a leader. You prefer to plan everything in advance and aren't a big fan of surprises. I don't think my child is like that. She loves surprises just like me. Yeah, Mom, I love surprises like anything. Fourth position is on the back. If you sleep like this, then you're most likely a positive person who loves life and wants a good company all the time. You like to be the center of attention and you almost prefer to tell the truth rather than lying. And that's a really good quality, you see. And the people who sleep like this are often strong personalities. The fifth is the soldier. If you sleep like a soldier in attention, then you are an adjusted person and know your life goals and try to achieve them. You are a good listener and hence you have a lot of friends just like my daughter. I have a lot of friends and I love them. Well, position number 6 and the last is one knee up. You are unpredictable and often drawn kinds of adventures if you sleep like this. Also, sometimes your mood changes so quick that it is unpredictable and it can be confusing to others. That was a lot helpful to me and my viewers. I hope this was relatable. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and follow my daily updates for getting more amazing stuff like this. Until the next video, goodbye.